Hi friends, the given problem is integral 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power of 2m minus 1 theta cos to the power of 2n minus 1 theta d theta is equal to gamma m gamma n by 2 times of gamma of m plus 1. Friends, you know that this gamma m gamma n by gamma of m plus 1 is relation between beta of m comma n. Yes or no? So beta of m comma n divided by 2. From this we have to find these two values. First one, integral 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power of p theta d theta value is this one, and integral 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power of p theta d theta value is as it is. Both will be same. Okay friends, you see this is very easy actually. Okay, how to prove means, first we have the definition of beta function, beta of m comma n. Tell me, what is the definition of beta of m comma n? We have integral 0 to 1 x to the power of m minus 1 into 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1 dx. Yes or no? But here we have to prove in terms of sine and cosine. That too sine power how much? 2m minus 1. So here you require 2 x square type. So let x is equal to sine square theta. X is equal to what? Sine square theta. Then you have dx is equal to 2 into sine theta derivative is cos theta into d theta. Now limits also we have to change. Limits, x limits to theta. What are the lower limit of x? 0. Upper limit of x is 1. Now if you put x is equal to 0, sine square theta is 0. When sine square will be 0, sine 0. When sine is 0, at 0 only. In the first quadrant only we are discussing. Friends, here you observe m and n both will be greater than 0. Even I am written or not, because when the beta function will be exist means for n greater than 0, m greater than 0 only. Otherwise it is not a convergent. Now next case, if you put x is equal to 1, then sine square theta is 1 means sine is 1. When it is 1 means at pi by 2. In the first quadrant only we are taking angle. Right friends? Now you see, substitute these all values in the above equation. What will happen? You see, beta of m comma n is equal to integral 0 to 1 become 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. What is x here? Sine square theta power m minus 1. What is 1 minus x means? 1 minus sine square theta power n minus 1. What is dx? You have 2 sine theta cos theta d theta. Right. Integral 0 to pi by 2 is 0 to pi by 2. Here you have 2. Take outside. Then sine square theta whole power m minus 1. So 2m minus 2. 2m minus 2. Already you have outside plus 1. So 2m minus 1. 2m minus 1. Next, 1 minus sine square theta is nothing but cos square theta. Is it or not? Square power what you have? N minus 1. So 2 times of n minus 1, and you have this one cos theta. Means nothing but cos theta power is 1. So 2n minus 2 plus 1 is nothing but what? 2n minus 1 into d theta. Which value this is? Beta of m comma n. So n's proved or not? You see actually from this to this. So here you have a 2. So 2 is right side, if it is good, then divided by 2. And moreover, okay, once again I will write in that step only. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power of 2m minus 1 theta into cos to the power of 2n minus 1 theta d theta value is 1 by 2 times of beta of m comma n. Okay, first one is okay. Next we have to prove gamma m gamma n by gamma of m plus n. Actually we know that the relation between beta and gamma, what we have? Gamma m gamma n by gamma of m plus 1. This is relationship between beta and gamma. Relationship between beta and gamma. So hence proved in this case. From this we have to deduce sine to the power of p theta and cos to the power of p theta. So how you will get? What actually we have to prove means, we have to prove integral 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power of p theta d theta. How you will get this one means? You see, in place of sine what you have? Power 2m minus 1. So let, in this case, let 2m minus 1 is equal to p. Next, is there cos term here? No cos here. So cos power 0 is nothing but 1 only, na? So when you will remove this cos term means 2n minus 1 is equal to 0. Nothing but here 2n is equal to 1, that implies n is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, n is equal to 1 by 2. Next, this from this 2m is equal to p plus 1. So m is equal to what? P plus 1 by 2. Now you substitute in right side, 1 by 2 times what is m? Gamma of p plus 1 by 2. What is n? Gamma 1 by 2 divided by m plus n. What is m? P plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. P plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So this is equal to 1 by 2 times of gamma p plus 1 by 2 gamma 1 by 2. This is LCM is here, you have 2. So p plus 1 is nothing but p plus 2. This is gamma of. Hence proved. You check it here. This one. Okay, now to get this one, what you have to do? Same procedure. Okay, in this we have to substitute in place of 2n minus 1 we have to put p, in place of 2m minus 1 we have to substitute 0. Then you will get the same answer. Same answer you will have. Okay, will you solve this problem? Thank you for watching this video.